Hi everyone, welcome to Mulberry Paper and More. Today we're going to be making Halloween lanterns. For this project, we're going to be using a variety of different papers using these Unryus and also the Hanji. Right here we have the Unryu papers. They come in yellow and orange and they are a thinner fiber of paper. You can see the fibers come through the paper as you shine the light. Next, we're going to be using these Hanji papers. These will be a more solid paper so that we can have a pronounced silhouette as we go. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to lay down the Unryu papers. This will be the sides of our lanterns. And we're just going to put the popsicle sticks in a square. So I am just laying them down flat as I can, making sure that when I fold over the sides, it'll be flush, it'll lay flat. And that's why I'm doing it in this way, so that when we lay it over, everything just lay flat instead of shift around. First, what we're going to do is we're just going to take our glue gun and just draw a line of glue on the sides. With this being a thinner paper, we need to make sure that we don't burn our fingers. So I am going to lay it straight down onto the paper and press down so that no glue will come into my fingers onto my hands. Later we will be using it on the other side, and so I use a popsicle stick to smooth down the sides rather than my fingers, just to make sure that I don't get burnt. We want an inch so that it can fold over the sides but not completely cover the back side as well, just so that we can have a more pronounced silhouette as we put the lantern together. Now once we have all four sides, we are going to fold over the sides and add a little bit of glue. And we'll just continue this process with the other four sides. Now that we have all four sides, we're just going to put them together, and this is what the finished product looks like.